this is Lori from Shoo Shoo Paper Art, and I'm still having fun with my little tiny flower stamps. My second idea is to use those little flower stamps to make ground. And I think these turned out really cute. I used the little tiny flowers from Enveloper from Waffle Flower, and it also has these little dots. So it's kind of perfect for something like this. Let's see, I used most of this spring color palette is from the Color Box pads, and they made some really pretty colors. You can see on this one that mostly I stamped the little flower and overlapped some of them and then filled in with the little dots. These really cool silhouettes, the little foxes are from Playful Animal Friends from Pink Fresh Studio. And this cool cat is from a really old stamp set. In fact, I don't even know what it is. I just put cats with a question mark because I don't have a clue. But there's some really cool cats on here. And so my other silhouette was made with that old stamp set. I have a couple of other ways to do these grounds. So I'm going to show you basically how I did this, except that I'm going to make this one kind of a wavy ground. So here we go, let's get started. I've cut a card piece that is 4 by 3 3/4. So this is going to be a fairly small card. And then I cut a piece of copy paper the exact same size as my card. And then I just made a little wavy line where I want my ground to be. I'm going to use the top part of this copy paper to protect my card so that I don't get the little flowers up in the part that I want for the sky to be. So I'm just going to quickly cut that out. Set that aside because I really just need the top part. Going to use some tape and secure all of this down so that it's not sliding around on me. I'm going to use a slightly different palette on this one so it won't be quite as springy. Some of the colors are the same. I'm going to start with a teal. I'm just going to randomly place these little flowers on the bottom portion of my card. I'm going to put some of them off to the side and some of them off on the top. And it's just totally random. I'm going to continue placing little flowers. So I will speed this up just a little bit. Going to add some hearts, I believe. I'm going to use these from the Cookie Love stamp set from Waffle Flower. Now I'm filling in spaces with the dot, the biggest dot in the set. You're just going to fill in until you're happy with it. And I kind of like how that looks, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there. And if I change my mind, I can go ahead and go back and fill in some other things later. I'm going to go ahead and remove the copy paper that I've put on there. There we go. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like the little wavy ground. That's fun. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is, I think I'll make another silhouette card. Let's see. There's some really cute bears in this Playful Animal Friends, so I think I'm going to use those. I'm going to use the We Are Memory Keepers platform here because I really want my silhouettes to be good and dark, so I want to be able to go over them more than once if need be. So I'm going to go ahead and slip my card in there. And then I'm going to use these two cute little bears. I think that looks dark enough. Okay, I think from this stamp set, I'm also going to use maybe a little flag. Let's see, it's got several little flags on it. I think I'll use the one with the little heart on it. That is so cute. Let's see, this little guy needs something. I think I'm going to add maybe some of the little hearts that I used from the Cookie Love set. That sounds like a cute idea. Like that, and I don't think it would hurt a bit to go ahead and add a cute little butterfly from the Playful Friends set either. I like that. Okay, I'm thinking that I need to bring a little bit of color up here in the top. So how about matching some of the color from the bottom that I've used? I'm just going to fill that in a little bit with my Copics. Okay, I'm such a mess sometimes. I'm going to have to use my eraser and try to get that little bit of ink off there. Okay, that's good. All right. Oh, I think that's cute. I like that. Okay, this is a fun way to use those little flower stamps to make ground. I really like that. Okay, so these are all odd-sized cards. And so I often make envelopes from my cards, and so that's kind of another idea for those flowers. And I have a video on making these envelopes, so I'll put that in the link down in the information on this video. But I think that's really cute. This one fits the little meow card, and you know, I'll just make a little sticker from sticker paper to close it. So that will be really cool. All right, so on to another idea for those little flowers, making ground. I colored these images from, let's see here, from Cookie Love, and also from the little bird from Happy Day that are waffle flower stamps. And I want to make a little background to go with them. So some kind of little floral ground would be fun, but I kind of want to do it in a different way from what we already did. So, okay, let me think about this. I want to go ahead and use my tape and mark off a section to do the ground. I'm going to use this fresh ink, what's it called, mint, for the ground, and then I'm going to add flowers to it. So let's see how that works. Go ahead and use this brush here to put some of the ink, lay in some of the ink on the bottom portion for making ground or grass. I think I'm going to leave it pretty much where there's kind of some white at the bottom. I think that's kind of fun. Okay, and then I'm going to use that same little flower stamp that I've been using from the enveloper set, and I'm going to put the exact same color flowers onto the ground. So let's see how that works. I'm going to do the same thing I did before and just kind of randomly put them on. I kind of like that. I think I'll stop there. Okay, I'd also like to go ahead and put some sky on there, I think, with some clouds. And I picked this up. I used it on another card recently to do some clouds. Usually I can use about anything with scallops to make clouds. And I find that a lot easier than some of the other ways. All right, so let's make some clouds. Like that little thing there, that looks cute. Just put just a little light bit of blue on there. All right, I think I'm kind of happy with that. That's kind of fun. All right, see here, I cut the little arm on the cat there just a little bit so I could slip the little heart in there. Oh, he looks pretty on there. Okay, and I'm happy the ground, I tried to go with the same color I used on the heart and his collar and stripes. So I like that, that's fun. Okay. All right. How about a sentiment up there at the top? I like this one, a good day to be happy. We could use a couple of hearts too. That would be nice. Okay, so I'm gonna glue these down and then I think add some little hearts. Oh, that's cute. I'm happy with that. Okay, so another idea for using your mini flower stamps is to make ground. And we did that straight across, we did curvy, and we did like tone on tone, kind of grass colored backgrounds. So I hope that gives you some ideas for using your mini flower stamps. Thank you for joining me. You can always find me at shooshoepaperart.com.